In this video, I'll show you how you can post a video on Steam. So if you open up Steam and go to your profile by going to your username and then clicking View My Profile, you'll then be able to see your profile, and in the bottom right hand corner, you'll click on videos. And from here, you can actually post videos that you've uploaded to your YouTube channel. So all we have to do to actually get videos here is link our YouTube channel. So click Link YouTube Account, then access your YouTube videos. Now you need to log on with your YouTube email and password. So this will be through your Google account. So once you've logged in and you've linked your YouTube account, you can then associate a video with a game. So I'm going to find a CSGO video here, or a GTA video. We can select that, and we can then go ahead and choose the games, find GTA here. We can then click Add Video. That will then add it to our profile. Now when we go back to my profile, we click videos, you can see we've now got this video added.